Hello. We glad to introduce you a Cannondale Tango 4 2020 model year. A mountain bike that generates a passion for the trail, from your first time out to your next big challenge. This bike equipped with an all-new frame, and reliable fork SR Suntour XCT. And Shimano Acera high-quality derailleur makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes on the bike such as Shimano MT200 Hydro Disc. Cannondale Tango 4 equipped with good tires WTB Ranger Comp. I think this is a great choice for amateurs and professionals. Drive in pleasure. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.